Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need a defined corner and the first tangible items now. Clear a 6 to 10 foot area, reduce reflective surfaces, and close heavy curtains to tame echo. Next, mount your camera, smartphone, or 1080p mirrorless on a stable tripod. Make sure framing follows 16:9. Then, attach a USB mic or lavalier and test levels while speaking naturally. Once done, record a 10-20 second clip to confirm audio and image sync, because tiny timing errors ruin perceived quality. Once your basics work, build the core: lighting and acoustics. Place a key light at a 45 degrees angle, a softer fill opposite, and a rim light behind you to separate from background. Choose LEDs at 3200 to 5600 degrees Kelvin to match daylight. Then, add acoustic treatment. Small foam clusters, rugs, and bookshelves reduce reverb. Measure ambient noise to about 40 to 60 decibels. Finally, lock a repeatable workflow. Create short scripts, a shot list, record in clips, and immediately back up files to a second drive. Finish with crisp editing and consistent branding. In your editor, trim to pace, color correct for skin tones, and normalize audio so dialogue hits a steady level. Export as 1080p, 264 for YouTube. Design a short 3 to 5 second intro, a clear thumbnail, and set upload metadata before scheduling. If something goes wrong, diagnose methodically. Check cable connections first, then inspect raw footage for dropped frames, and apply noise reduction only when necessary. Overprocessing can make voices sound unnatural.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.